Hello Lalita and Kausalya. I came across a case dealing with mentor and mentee relationship yesterday. I could like to share my insights over the case and want to know your opinion about it because this case deals with the mindset of employees when their position change. You will know about mentor and mentee, but I like to give a small explanation about it. Mentor means a person or friend who guides a less experienced person by building trust and modeling positive behaviors. An effective mentor understands that his or her role is to be dependable, engaged, authentic, and tuned into the needs of the mentee. Mentee means a person who has identified a specific personal or professional goal and who believes that the guidance and help of the mentor and being held accountable to the mentor can help them achieve their goal. Okay, let's see what the case deals with. Carol Lee and Walter Lemire were in Lachman Consulting. In the beginning time of Carol's career, she was under the mentorship of Walter. Walter played a major role in the transmission of Carol to a successful consultant and eventual partner. But now Carol went to Walter's position and Walter came to Carol's position. This has become a major problem between them.
Walter, who was senior vice president. Carol joined in consultant team with the help of Walter. Walter became the mentor for Carol. Walter moved on to run a startup software venture. Carol was promoted to the Walter place. Walter's new venture was not going good, so the partner decided to have Carol to take over the venture. Carol was given the assignment of rescuing the startup venture. Carol was discomfort over the assignment. She began to review the history of the new venture. She revising Walter's decision about everything from product design to marketing and pricing. Carol unable to discuss any of her proposed solution to Walter directly because he was her old mentor and boss. Carol was facing some difficulty in discussing with Walter directly. She doubted that any of her experience will affect Walter as she was the current boss for Walter.
Yes, Kausalya, I was also talking about the same case. I am waiting to know your opinions about this problem between Carol and Walter.
Yes, Monisha, I also went through this case. There are four major questions regarding this case. First, the question is about what is Carol's role in Walter's career development. Now, Carol is the present boss of Walter, who was her former boss. She should discuss with him about the project which was not successful under the leadership of Walter. Carol should motivate Walter to be part of her project because she is facing some obstacles.
Not only that, Lachman also have such role because it is only employee that helps the organization to achieve the goals. So the role of motivator, leadership are the tools of higher authority to build a good profitable relationship.
Secondly, the question is, what would you advise Carol for approaching Walter?
My advice is Carol should approach Walter in an informal way so that she can talk with Walter about the problems easily, as she was facing some obstacles in discussing with him directly.
Carol can also use other members of the team to contact Walter.
She can also approach Walter directly by conducting a formal meeting with their team members.
Thirdly, the problem is if Carol has to dismiss Walter, how will she proceed? As we know, the leaders are the pillars of the organization. Carol, who is the current boss of that organization, she should not consider the situation in her point of view. Instead, she should give more priority and loyalty to the organization. So, when we talk about the dismissal of Walter, she should dismiss him in the formal way as per the organizational guidelines.
And the last question is totally about our assumption, which is Carol has heard a rumor that Walter has considered about resigning, and now what Carol should do about that.
In my opinion, Carol should make a relationship with Walter to make him stay in the organization. She should conduct a formal meeting and ask him what problems that he faced in the organization so that she can know about Walter's opinion.
According to this case, anytime a mentor and mentee relationship can change upside down. Every employee should be efficient to handle this situation.
Yes, Monisha,
Yes, Monisha, you are
you are
correct.
correct.
Thank you both of you for sharing your opinion.
Thank you.
Thank you.